What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video what I'm going to be doing is I'm actually going to be racing my sister. So yeah, would you like to say anything to the fans?
Yeah, hi, my name is Hadia. I'm his sister.
Yeah, so I'm basically going to be racing her. I think I will destroy her. So yeah, let's get into today's video. Alright ladies and gentlemen, here we are in today's match. So yeah, who do you think is going to win, sis?
I
Me
feel
or
like
you?
you will win.
Oh yeah, we all know the champ. Okay.
We'll see.
Yeah, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna keep track of each of our scores.
Every time I'm playing so I would rather commentate.
Okay. So yeah, as I was saying, we're gonna keep track of each other's score. So right now my score is like 2,500. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna be keeping track of our scores. I think I'm absolutely gonna destroy you.
So guys, you know the minus you see, we can bump into that.
Oh yeah. So
you know,
how about this? We can't use any ads or no keys. Okay. Yeah. So here are the rules. Okay. Yeah, but I'll show you later. But so right now, we can't use any ads or any keys. Okay. Also, no using any boosts like the ones you get at the start. You can't use those. Yeah. I think that's all the rules. No cheating. No one installs hacks, please. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Times 10. What if we get a similar score and we can't remember? How about we just do most coins too? If we like tied, we're gonna do like most coins.
Most of you might have less interest, and most of you have a lot. Me and my brother have a lot.
Yeah, I go hardcore in this game. We go way back. Yeah, so oh shoot, a train's about to hit me.
The next video.
Wait, already, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, I got the magnet, and yeah. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're back. I just got the big old boots. Yes, sir. I have 300 coins, and my score is like 22,000. Sorry for the big skip, but yeah. I see another train trying to beat me up. I will destroy that train. Here we go. Jump. And then... Okay, I got another big boot. That was clutch. That was crazy clutch. Okay. That was super cool. I'm going to be doing some illegal actions by jumping over trains.
No, did you know my brother got the...
No, I died.
No, guys, my brother got the high score in the whole USA.
You know that. Okay.
Well, you guys might think that we're lying, but we're not.
Yeah, I don't grind on leaderboard. Okay, here we go. We got the lucky box, 5 Jake sprays. So my score was 26,000, guys, right here. Okay, my score was 26,000. So, sis, do you think you could beat my score? Let's see.
I think I can
Okay, so yeah, here we go. Okay, so which character are you gonna choose? Okay. Okay, guys, so let's see what she's gonna do for a match. Let's go. Okay, so she's back. Let's see what she does, guys.
Oh my god.
I'm moving so slowly. You're scared.
I'm not scared. It did that.
Yeah, you are. Admit it, you're scared. Oh, turn. Get the cheeseburger. I think you're scared.
I am scared.
Yeah, I knew it. She's so scared. Okay, imagine you beat my score. I won't. Okay, how about this? If you beat my score, I'll probably spend all my coins. Okay, if you beat my score, I'll spend all of them. I got like 315 coins. I think that's how much. You're missing all the coins. What are you doing?
I don't have to get the coins.
Oh yeah. How about? But what if you beat my score? So then I'll just have to spend more coins. Okay, here we go. Yeah. Okay, you're jumping. You're doing some more legal. I wonder how... Oh my god!
Wow, I'm always getting a jetpack very quick, guys.
Exactly. She has like the 9 powers.
You know what's cool about me and my brother? We were born at the almost...
Yeah, similar days.
Yeah, I'm born on July 6th.
But for some reason, she's more lucky. Like, she always gets jetpacks at the start of the game.
I'm born on July 6th.
Oh, you died! No. You can't use keys. You can't use
So
keys.
you were
I
doing
win.
that.
No, I didn't. I didn't use any keys.
Let's see again.
I win.
Jesus
I
Christ!
won. Yes. All right, guys. So I guess we saw the winner already. Well, yeah, guys. I guess we know who came up on top. So let me just open this up. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.